Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create WordPress landing page for affiliate marketing. So I will use Elementor and WordPress to build this landing page. Also I will get my affiliate product using Digistore. So let's start. Now I am at Digistore 24 marketplace. In Digistore 24 I can find the affiliate product. You have to create a Digistore 24 affiliate account to select their product and use their product. In this case I will just go to marketplace and I will go to dating, love and relationship. In here I will select the product as his secret obsession. So I will go to affiliate support page and I will go to sales page. So here is the sales page of his secret obsession affiliate product, and here is the affiliate support page. In this affiliate support page I can get banners, email swipes, images, text, articles and lot of stuff. So now we have a product. It's time to create the landing page. To do that I will go to WordPress dashboard and go to plugins and click on add new. We are going to use Elementor free plugin to create our landing page. To do that I will search here Elementor. Okay, if you are not already used Elementor plugin, just install the plugin. I already installed it. After that activate it, then go to new and click on page. Okay, now I will copy this text and make it as the page name. Then I click on edit with Elementor. Okay, here is our Elementor canvas. So now I have to click on this setting icon and then scroll down. Then the page layout should be Elementor canvas. Now we have a clear canvas, so I click on this plus icon and click on this section. Now we have an empty section, so I will click on this square icon and now I will select the headline. So click on the headline and drop it down here. Then I will get a text and add it. To do that I will go to affiliate support page of his secret obsession and I will just click on banner and image banner. Okay, then I will go to emails. In emails we can see the email swipes. So I will open this his secret obsession email swipes and then I will copy this subject and here I will add that subject as the title. Then I will make it as alignment center and go to advanced. In advanced I will add padding like 10. Now let's add the image. To do that I will click on this square icon and click on image and drag and drop it here. Then I have to find some images. To do that I will go to affiliate support page and go to image, videos and ads. In here I will open the I convert in banners. Now here we have lot of banners, so I will just download this banner. To do that I will click it and open it in new window and right click and click on save image as. Okay, I saved the image, so let's go to our Elementor dashboard and in here I will click on choose image and select this image. Okay, now select the file and click on insert media. Now I will set the image size as full. Okay, now let's add the button. To do that I will just click on this square icon and find out a button and I will add that button here. So let's change the button and after we create the whole landing page, I will edit the style of the page. For now, let's just create the page. So I will click on this button, and now it's time to edit button. So I will change this text to discover now. Okay, then I will add the affiliate URL here. To do that, I have to log into the Digistore 24 marketplace and copy the link from here. So for now, I will copy this link as the affiliate URL. Then I will go here and add this link, and in this gear icon, click on it and click on open in a new window and add no follow. Okay, now I will click on this image, and we can add the link to this image too. To do that, click on the image and go to link. In here, select the custom URL and enter your URL here and click on link option. Then add the open in new window and add no follow. Okay, now our landing page is ready. Also, we can add some footer section like this. For now, we don't need to add the footer section. Let's change the style. First of all, I will click on this text and change the text design. To do that, click on the text and go to style. In style, I will change the color to black, and now I will go to typography. In here, I will change the font to Poppins. Now I will increase the font size. Let's increase it like 45, and font width will be 500. Then I will add line height. So line height will be 1.2. Now we have to add some padding to this image. To do that, click on the edit image and go to advanced. In here, add it as 10. Okay, now if we preview the changes, our landing page will look like this, but our button is not show up on this screen, so I have to decrease the size of this image. To do that, I will go to canvas and click on the image, then go to style. In style, I will change the width. Let's add it like 70, and let's add the max width like 72, and that's it. Now if I check the preview of the landing page, it will look like this. Perfect. Also, in here I will remove the bottom padding, and now we have to change the discover button. To do that, click on edit button and align it as center. Then go to style. In style, change the typography to Poppins. Then increase the size like this, and font width will be 600. Okay, now change the color. The color will be yellow. I will click on color sampler and get a sample from here. And now I will increase the color. Okay, now I will change the font color too. To do that, I will select this text color and make it as black. Okay, now I will reduce the border of this button. So go to this border radius and reduce it like this. Now let's add some padding. So let's add the padding top as 15 and the padding right will be 20, 25, 15, 25. Okay, now our button is ready. So now I can check the preview of the landing page. Still this button is not show up, so I will decrease the size of this font and go to style. In style, let's decrease the font size to 40 or 38 and let's remove the padding button. Now let's check it again. Let's decrease the top padding to, so I will add it like 5 and also go to image and let's change the image size. So currently it's 70, let's make it like 60. This will be also 60 and let's check it. Okay, now it's perfect. Also we can add some text above this discover now button. To do that I will make this as 50, make the image as 50 like this and go here and click on text editor and add it here. Then go to the affiliate support page, then go to emails and in his secret option email, let's select this hook and paste that hook text to here and now go to style. In style, change the color to black and in typography increase the size to like 18, make it as align center. Let's add the width as 500. Okay, now let's check the preview. Okay, now it's look perfect. Also I will remove the padding. Let's check the final look. So I will go to this preview changes and here is the final look. Also we have to check the mobile responsiveness and fix it too. To do that I will click on this responsive mode and now I will click on this discover now button and go to style. In style I will change the font size to something like this and let's click on this text and let's hide it. To do that I will click on the text and go to advanced. In advanced I will go to responsive tab and I will hide it on mobile. Now it's not appear on the mobile and I will edit this image, then go to style and the image width will be let's make it like 100. Okay, now I will go to this header and change the font size. Let's make it like 20. Okay, now if I check on the preview on mobile phone, this image will be show up larger and this content will be removed. So now I will publish the landing page and click on have a look. Now I can get this URL and paste it on places to promote this landing page and get leads. So if someone come to this landing page and click on this image or this button, that person will redirect to the affiliate page. So this is the simple way to create a minimalist landing page, and I will see you in next time.